What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop. And do you have a 2000 wide AM penny? Let's get into this video so I can show you what the wide AM penny is all about. Okay, guys, so in my last two videos, I have discussed the 1998 and the 1999 wide AM penny. Now, today's video is going to be about the 2000 wide AM penny. So the error that you are looking for is on the reverse of the coin, and it is in America. Look and see if the A and the M are touching. If they are touching, this is a regular minted 2000 penny. If they are not, if they have a space in between them, this is a wide AM penny, and these are selling for some good money. Check these sales out. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, and happy hunting. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.